actually.
The control system is definitely.
But the rumble speed. For me, the change is as when you join or change a company after certain years of experience. तो जब वर्क में जो ज्यादा तब्दीली नहीं होती आपके काम के सिलसिले में. For me, what has changed is actually I have learned only one thing. ये वो तो सब चलता है मतलब at certain age no, you stop learning, you start experimenting. तो वो मतलब 20 साल मुझे काम करते हुए हो गए तो उसमें मतलब I have started experimenting now. और हर आदमी वही करता है क्योंकि उसके बाद में वो घड़ा भर जाता है उसमें कुछ ज्यादा स्टफ नहीं कर सकते. whosoever it is. The only thing is how best you can use that knowledge and how best you can experiment. So that's what I am doing as a part of my job. जो सबसे ज्यादा चीज मुझे अच्छी लगी यहाँ पे एंड जिसकी वजह से मैं कई लोग आते हैं जो रिजाइन कर दिया जिन्होंने या who are not dissatisfied who come to me and actually we have formed a committee kind of thing. So he brings it to me. तो मैं हमेशा उन्हें एक ही बात बोलता हूँ कि यार जो यहाँ है वो बाहर नहीं मिल सकता आपको. यहाँ क्या है कि मेरे बर्थडे पे his wife calls me brother and I call her sister kind of thing. तो हमारी वो रिलेशनशिप बड़ी अच्छी डेवलप हो गई है एंड वी डोंट टॉक फॉर मंथ्स टुगेदर. बट मेरी जो पर्सनल वाइफ है वो बड़ी अच्छी है. मेरे बर्थडे पे उन्होंने मुझे केक भेजा एंड शी वाज द फर्स्ट टू सेंड एन SMS. 5:30 बजे उनका SMS आ गया था. दिस इज वन थिंग विच आई लर्न हाउ टू ब्लेंड बिजनेस एंड हाउ टू कीप इट स्टिल पर्सनल. अब उसमें ना उस चीज से फिर बाहर नहीं जा सकते. अब तुम्हारा इफ आई वांट टू लीव मिस्टर कुमार सचदेवा आई कांट लीव. प्रोफेशनल रिलेशनशिप होते तो मैं यूज छोड़ता. बट विद दिस अब हाउ कैन यू डू दिस? इट्स योर कंपनी बॉस, इट्स योर फैमिली. He is there or he is not there, how does it matter? It's my company. So that is what a biggest learning of my life. I don't know whether I am right or wrong, but और वो क्या है, वो मेरी बेटी ने उनको फोन किया गीता जी को. His wife's name is Mrs. Geeta Sachdev. So she talked to her as if she is talking to her own kid. बेटा ऐसे नहीं ऐसे बनेगा, बेटा ऐसे नहीं ऐसे बनेगा. And she was not talking to me, she was talking to my daughter. And for 15-20 minutes they kept on talking. और उन्होंने बोला मैं गाड़ी भेज दूंगी, तो घर आया मुझे घर सिखाऊंगी. That relationship I have not seen in my life. You can get importance, you can get position, you can be a non-face, and you can be a recognized, trustworthy, all kind of big jargons which can be thrown upon you. But this treatment was missing. That is the biggest difference.
Human element.
Correct.
It's about you, first of all, as an employee would feel belonging to a company, but when you're getting so much acceptance from the company that you feel like belonging to it.
I think sense of belongingness that was built in such a short time is definitely different than what I have experienced in life. We all worked, I think, 15-20 years last in our...
अभी मेरी मदर का ऑपरेशन हुआ है.
That's what is different.
तो मैंने तो बताया नहीं था गीता जी को. आपको पता वो the moment she came here, she walked into my cabin. और नरेश आपने बताया नहीं आपकी मदर का ऑपरेशन हुआ है, आपने फोन तो कर देना था, कोई सहायता की जरूरत. I was spellbound. ये जो ट्रीटमेंट है ना ये नहीं मिलता कई बार.
What I feel is actually there is no company element here.
No.
There is a family.
Family element. Yes.
It's just a family where people do something to keep the family running, make it more successful. That's right.
No, we are not working for him now. Not at all. We are working for our own company. We can fight with him on any issue. Well, he, as a CMD, he can say 10,000 things. It's up to us whether we accept it or not.
अपनी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है.
It's truthful. है तो है. And that everybody would agree here.
Sure.
In most of the issues, we actually, the meeting ends up in disagreement. And then, even then, everything is going right.
That's brilliant, actually. That's just so fascinating.
You see, I'm also telling you my experiences. Earlier in meetings, it was my say all the time. So, one, I have seen people that are better than me. So why should I poke my fingers and do things and take the responsibility when they are the responsible guys? If things are not happening, that's also because of them, and things are happening because of them only. So my role is more of a facilitator now. So I don't poke things, unless until that's something which is very, otherwise they're doing things on their own. So my role is reducing.
Sure. Wow. After.
When I came here for the interview, so the kind of treatment, the kind of information sharing about the company was given by Mr. Kaushik and Mr. Sukhdev was extremely, extremely good. I tell you, each and every information was shared with me during the interview itself, and they then put the ball into my goal. Now, boss, you decide whether you want to join us or not. It's a bigger thing. No employer shows the real picture to the candidates during the interview. And for such a sensitive position, he was hiring me. He could have shown me a glossy picture, but not. So that simplicity and that clarity of the thought. इन्होंने कहा कि boss, you should know what SUCAM is. And SUCAM में क्या challenges है आपके सामने? क्या आपको क्या देखोगे आप यहाँ के? You should come prepared for combating all these challenges here. So this was one point which touched me a lot. This is a real employer for a HR guy. Secondly, when my final meeting was with boss, so normally boss reaches here say around 9:30. Because I had to go to Delhi. I was working with CK Birla previously, so around 2 hours time I had to travel to reach to my office. So मैंने बॉस को कहा कि भाई मैं 8:30 बजे से लेट नहीं रुक सकता. I'll reach at 8:30 for my final discussion. And you won't believe boss was standing at reception to see me.
Wow.
So can you believe? The CEO of the company, chairman of the company can receive me as a person.
And he called me up. I was in Batti. They both came upstairs. They had a meeting. And then he came back. And I was the first who received his call after that interview. And he told me, boss, I'm joining here. मैंने बोला तनख्वाह डेजिग्नेशन का तो कुछ नहीं चाहिए मुझे. आपने जो डिसाइड करना हो कर लो. बट मैं ही कंपनी ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ. अब प्लीज टेल मी वेदर आई एम सिलेक्टेड और नॉट. So that was the thing which actually happened.
And one more thing, sir, though HR process is a very, very important process in any organization, very, very important process. But unfortunately, HR was, given, second seat in any organization. Though now the situation is getting changed day by day, and HR is coming very, very, very forcefully from backbench to boardroom. HR is moving forward. But ultimately, unless until you get support from the top management, HR is not successful, right? So the kind of liberty, the kind of power, the kind of empowerment he gave me, he committed me for the interview, and I am enjoying all these powers and all those, empowerments and all these authorities with me. So it was I thought that this is a real employer where I can really, do something for the company. And the fourth thing is, as he shown the challenges in this company, the HR is at very, very, not at dominating stage now. Now you have to put it at the front foot, and you have to, go along with the pace of SUCAM. So that was a challenge which he motivated me to join this company.
Wow. So together, what I'm actually picking up is, personally, people what they've actually learned from other companies is that each one of you here is not working. It is more as what is my contribution.
Yes.
It is not I'm working for someone. What can I do for my company?
Correct.
So that is, I think, what I'm actually strongly picking up from each one of you.
Every one of us is an entrepreneur.
Everyone.
That's the way to put it. It's all part of the team which is basically